What's up, Danny? This is YouTube. Gonna keep this nice and sweet. Try to make this as short as possible. Basically, this is a sneaker you guys have to buy. Sneaker of the year, 3 times over. This is top 3 Jordan 3s to ever come out. And they're the A Ma Maniére women's exclusive Jordan 3. But yeah, anyway, let's get right into it. This sneaker took some inspiration from the age look that was trending on Instagram like 2019, 2020, and I'm glad to see that that little trend died out, but ended with a bang by having an official collab by, you know, Jordan and Nike having an official collab and actually doing a colorway like this, and gave it that nice age look. A Ma Maniére is a luxury brand. I've never shopped there, don't own any pieces. I'm looking to get some stuff from the Jordan collaboration. But anyway, all I gotta say is this is, like I said, top 3 Jordan 3s to ever be released. My top 3s in order would have to be the Black Cement 3s, A Ma Maniére is a number 2, and then the Mocha's a number 3. And I don't care, man, you guys are gonna like change my opinion. I don't even know if it's focusing on the sneaker. But this suede on the toe box is so clean. Also has it on the back heel. The age back tab, I used to love this when I used to own a pair of, like, what was it, like 1999 Black Cements, and like tab looked like this when it got old and dirty. Both back tabs say something different. This one says all we have is each other, and then the second back tab says you have to get comfortable walking alone. So clean. One reason why I love the sneaker so much is that it reminds me of like a PE that should have came out. So it's like on one tongue we have the Jumpman, and on the other tongue we have the A Ma Maniére logo. And I don't know why Jordan brand doesn't give us like, or release more PEs that have like exclusive logos, like the UNC 3s, that they would have had one Jumpman, one UNC logo. That would have been fire. But that's besides the point. The leather on the sneaker is, it's okay. It's like the same as every other Jordan 3. Nothing crazy. But I think I love this so much because it kind of does remind me of the Mocha 3. And it's just, but like an upgraded version. When you wear the sneaker, it's gonna age beautifully. One thing I hate about Jordan 3s though is like the creasing on the toe box, how nasty it gets after like 2 wears. The inside has a quilted material. I don't have much else to say about the sneaker other than I'm going to keep repeating that this is sneaker of the year. Last sneaker of the year for 2020 was the off-white Jordan 4s. I also had those. That was another women's exclusive, and they absolutely killed that sneaker, and they did it again with these A Ma Manières. That the women exclusive Jordans are like the worst things to ever be made, but they're finally improving and upgrading it so much that everybody wants a sneaker, women and guys. Because I'm pretty sure not even the women like some of those women exclusive Jordans that are out there. These laces right here, like this like aged piss yellow laces, that's like darker than the midsole right here, darker than the sole and darker than the eyelets. Don't put this shit on your fucking sneakers. The shit literally looks like piss yellow on the sneaker. It makes the sneaker look absolutely terrible and you're ruining it. Just cut that shit out and forget it's there. I also hate on Jordan 3s when people wear that shit with like the hang tag. And please don't wear this shit with the A Ma Maniére tag. Just cut that shit off, bro. If you want to wear the StockX tag, that's fine. You do whatever. Like, I'd rather that than see all of this. But this is a sneaker that I absolutely love. I paid resale for this just because I knew I wasn't going to get lucky on the sneakers app or any other releases. And I didn't get lucky with the A Ma Maniére release that everybody copped on. I love the fact that this isn't an original Jordan sneaker, but they put the Nike heel tab. That's amazing. But this is a sneaker I'm going to triple up on eventually. I'm definitely going to get every single pair this year. I predict that the prices aren't going to go down. After the sneaker drop, they're only going to go up because, like I said, this is a sneaker that everybody needs. There's not much else I can say about this other than I absolutely love it. I usually bash Jordans just because I feel like they can do so much more with how much money they have. But one thing I will say is that if you're a guy and you have that special lady in your life, you better get her a pair. Because if not, you don't really give a fuck about her. Why would you not get her the best Jordans to ever release? I don't care if she's into Jordans or not, you fucking buy those for her. And ladies, if you're watching this, which I doubt it's only like 3 of you guys, and you're with a guy, even if he's not into sneakers and he doesn't buy you this sneaker right here, leave him. He's a fucking bum. He's gonna amount to absolutely nothing in life. But yeah, man, I'm telling you guys, prices are only gonna go out after everyone sees that they got L's on sneakers, and you guys need these. And that's all for me. Let me know what you guys think about this. Where does this go in your top 10? Even though I know, like, we're only in June and we have 6 months left, but I don't think any sneaker that's going to release is going to top this, truth be told. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is that this sneaker released like a month ago, and it's actually coming back out again June 10th. So that's your very last chance to get that sneaker for retail. But I would not be mad if these are absolutely GRs, have 0 resale. I would still wear this, and I would still think this is sneaker of the year no matter what the price is at the end of the year. And I will be buying 2 more pairs for myself. I literally do, I said this like 4 times already in this video. I don't think the prices are going to go down though. I don't care how many pairs are being made, everyone wants this sneaker. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. Where does it go in your top 10? I really hope A Ma Maniére does a second Jordan collaboration. I'm so glad it wasn't a Jordan 1. We need something different. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like and subscribe, and thank you for your time.
Niggas hate on us. You hate on a nigga. I don't understand why you hate on me, nigga.
We don't understand.
Show love, nigga. It don't show nothing. It don't cost nothing to show a nigga love.
All we doing
nigga.
is getting money.
Show a nigga some love, nigga.
Wabbly dabbly.
Niggas out here don't love me, nigga.
They don't love.